I'm Salihah Noh. I'm from Domino's Pizza Enterprises Shared Services Berhad. We basically do the shared services for marketing and digital for Domino's Pizza Enterprises, which covers about 12 countries and also about 3,700 stores globally. So I think the most important takeaway is really know your customer. Despite all the innovation, technologies that you have, different tools that you can use, ultimately you have to really think about your customer. What does your customer really want, and try to provide that experience to the customer. I thought what Katika said was interesting because she talks about the nudges at the right time. She was talking about how important for trading apps to have the perfect timing. Because I do think trading, for example, not something that you do by the way. It's something like where you have some focus and the right timing. So I think it was very critical for her to have the right timing and the right communication. She was talking also about leveraging political affairs and how she's capitalize on that event. So I thought it was really interesting how she really leverages on key trends, ensuring like customer engagement at the same time. So I thought that was really cool.